Holy smokes, what has happened here? Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode. As you can see here, we got a lot of stuff done today. So keep watching the time lapse here to see the progress. Thanks for watching. So yeah, there in that part of the videos, you'll see that I took all the stuff off the front, the hood, the grill, and all that. I'm gonna plastic all this over and get all those pieces nice and done. That way I can paint in there all nice like I want to. Alright, so there you've seen I got all the bed bolts out. So now we're going to take the engine hoist here and we're going to try to lift it up. I've never tried this before with an engine hoist, but I've seen a lot of people do it with short beds. Now, I don't know so much about a long bed, so we're going to test it out here and see what happens. Wish me luck. So yeah, as y'all can see here, I got the bed off, use the engine hoist, and we got all this off here because I want to be able to do in here inside the back side of the cab and of course the front side of the truck bed. But I'm gonna make a little stand thing with wheels with the bed so I can get this thing up off the ground at about my height so I can do the sanding and painting on it. And then also, since I have this off, there's a lot of other things that I want to do that have been in the works for quite some time. I want to do some strengthening structure, that goes across. I'm going to cut all that spare tire crap out, get that out of the way. Basically clean up the frame. I've been messing around with my suspension stuff, trying to see how it hits so hard and why. Aired up the shocks a little bit more and tested it out, drove around a little bit. That was pretty fun. So yeah, anyway, this is where we're at now on the next phase of getting this sucker nice in a whole different color. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. Until next time, try to keep it simple, try to keep it sweet.